using this custom convert, we will have to create custom conversion, right? So what is it telling? See here is that before you can use the newly created engagement tag in campaigns, you will first need to create custom conversions. So for that, you will have to go to custom conversions and you will get this. So now you will go to, I go here, I go to event manager. I will change this to J-centric, right? This is taking time. So yeah, when you first time create custom conversion, you will get an alert here asking you to approve the custom conversion, which we have already done now. So it's not appearing. So right, we will go to custom conversion, and this is one place where you click create custom conversions. And let me see, is there another place? Data sources, add event, custom conversion. Also here, data sources, add event, custom conversion. We go here. This is where you will name. What are you naming it? Let me see. Engage visit, right? Yeah. So this is where you are naming it as engaged visit website. So it doesn't appear immediately. It takes time, right? It took time. You will then click on select category. Then you will click go down to extreme bottom, view content, and the URL contains forward slash, right? So this is how it is. Let me see. View content forward slash engaged visit, right? So now when you do this, let's for example we create this, we do this, and now we engaged visit created on success. So now that's how you will create custom conversion. Now that you have created this custom conversion for JCentrix, right? When you go ahead and create a campaign now, right? Let us see if we can create a campaign now. I'm sorry. Uh, so it's taking time. 1 second. It's taking time. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I go and create a campaign now. So if I create a campaign now, utilizing this custom conversion, so now we will choose I don't think we will choose leads. Let us see. Traffic, manual, continue. We will go here. We will click website. Maximize clicks. Maximize the number of conversations. No, no, this was not. It is maximize the number of conversion. So we will go here and we will edit it, right? Or we will choose leads, right? We click here, create, choose leads, continue, manual, and there we will go here. We'll choose on website. We will choose on maximize the number of conversions. Sudeep's pixel, not Sudeep, it was J-centrics. Acha, I am on somebody else's. Hold on 1 second. That is the problem. We click on JCentrix. Again, we have to do the whole exercise. Hold on. Create, leads, continue, this, this. Next, we will go to this website. Maximize the number of conversions. Engaged visit. Right? Okay. That is how we are choosing website and no. Maximize the number of conversions and the conversion is engaged visit. That's the quality traffic.